Okay, everyone, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. My name is Chibikima and I'm here to demonstrate the beauty of my specially made Forex trading system, my manual algorithm. I haven't named it yet, but I'll find a name for it shortly. I want to give glory to God, being a Nigerian and all, for the wisdom and knowledge to come up with this. I also want to thank God for finding my Forex mentor, VP Patrick of No Nonsense Forex. His YouTube channel, you can check that out. The knowledge there helped me come up with this. So I want to save you time because this setup took me about a year to develop. So if you want to save that time, I would recommend you purchase this. It's just $200. The link is in the description. To take it directly to my WhatsApp so we can talk, and then once you've confirmed payment, I'll send it to you with directions and everything, the template, the indicators, and you can start trading. So we have 4 indicators here. 1, 2, 3. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. We have a fifth one, but the fifth one is not exactly with the way we use it, and I'll explain that later. So you want to trade so the 4 indicators help me make my trade. So you have a manual setup to actually guide you, help you make trades, help you filter signals, all of that. So I'll explain more of the fifth one later and what it helps us do. But you're looking for a system where everybody agrees. So let's break down indicators. You have 1. So the red dot and the green dots, they are 1 indicator. So they are entry indicators. My entry indicators, they tell me when exactly to enter the market. I'm looking at entering the market at the next candle. So once I see that, I want to enter the market at the next candle after I've confirmed from other indicators as well. So I want to enter the next candle. So that's actually what that indicator does. My second indicator is my first confirmation indicator. I won't tell you the name so you won't find it out. It's a long while to find this. So the way this works is when it's green, it's very simple. When it's green, you want to buy. When it's red, you want to sell. So when it's red, it's a sell confirmation, and when it's green, it's a buy confirmation. So it's that simple. When it's green, buy. When it's red, sell. Folks, it's that simple. It's really that simple, and nothing really. It's very simple to read. So that's basically that. Then the third indicator, my very sweet. I use that as a baseline and also a confirmation indicator too. So the way this works is when the red line crosses above the blue line, like here, you're about to see it, yeah, like that, you want to sell. So when I see that I want to sell, I just want to sell. This is my sell confirmation. It tells me that, okay, fine, a sell trend has started. So avoid enter trade for a sell. So I use that as a confirmation. So now we have 3/4. 3/4. So when the blue crosses above the red, I want to buy. So red above the blue, sell. Blue above the red, buy. So that's very simple. That's how to read that indicator. For the fourth one, my final confirmation, I don't take a trade until I see that. Once the blue line goes into the upper region, the upper 20 region, I buy. When it's in the lower region, I sell. It's that simple. So buy here, sell here. It's that simple. When it's in the middle, don't take a trade. The market is ranging, it's not sure. So when it's in the middle, I don't take a trade. I use that as my final confirmation. So looking for points where everybody agrees. And this my final, I use that as my support and resistance simulator. Basically, it tells me when market is most likely to reverse, and it also helps me target my take profits and set my stop loss as well. So you can see market ranged a lot around that red line and ranged a lot too around this red line, and market is most likely to reverse at this point too. So that's a free signal for you guys trading Euro USD today, which is yes, the 13th of February. I'm making this video at about 3:33 a.m. So you're looking at points where everybody agrees for a buy or for a sell. 4/4. That's where when there's full confluence, all 4 indicators tell you to sell. You have a very high probability of success. So if one indicator is off, your probability reduces by a bit. So you can do the maths, reduce by 25%, I guess. So let's see examples of where everyone agrees and how good it was. You're about to see that now, and you'll be very impressed. I promise you, you'll be very, very, very impressed. Okay, let's see. So at this point, let's see. This first indicator tells me to sell. I'm like, okay, let me sell now. Second one says sell. Oh, he's correct, so sell. Third one says they are both right. Just sell. You need to sell now. My final confirmation. So I now want to sell. I'm waiting for that final confirmation, and I got it right there. And at this point, everybody agrees. Okay, sell. The last indicator is at the lower region. Everybody's like sell. So imagine I enter at that point. What do I have? I have 170 pips. Whoa, 170 pips. So imagine, I don't think many of us will be that patient to stay in the market for that long. But imagine, and what do I risk? I risk about 30 pips to get 170 pips, guys. Think about it, man. That's roughly 1:15 reward ratio. So even if I decide to take profit 1 at 60 pips and take profit 2 at 70 pips, let's say I don't have that much patience, guys, it's still a win. It's still a major win. 150 pips, it's not a joke. It's not a joke, and I saw it coming from a mile away. Imagine if you have that edge. Let's see a buy example. Let's see here. At this point, everybody agrees for a buy as well. And let's say I take the first, that's about 20 pips, guys, before a possible reversal. Let's say you got scared and you left the market at 20 pips, still good. But then you got a re-entry not long after, and this re-entry, what did it give you? It gave you 60 to 70 pips. Wow, 60 to 70 pips, and that's beautiful. So even here, when the market was ranging, you still got about about 20 pips. That's a small win. Let's see. Another example here. Everybody's in agreement. So that's 30 pips, guys. 30 pips. So you see, you have this edge in the market. So, and I would know the market will reverse because of those lines there. So I'll be very careful around those lines. I'll be very, very careful around those lines. So let's see another example. Another perfect entry right there. Perfect entry right there. Let's see what it gave us. Gave us about 40 pips. 40 pips right there. I don't like reversal signals, but even if I take in this trade, and I've seen about 30 pips, yeah, which is a very good win for intraday traders like me. Let's see another sweet example, another sweet entry. Everybody agrees here. That's 40. That's 70 pips, guys. 70 pips. Sweet stuff. See another reversal there, but I don't like reversals. I've gotten that too. But this is a trade after my heart. That's about 70 pips, and this, guys, just this. Whoa, that's 140 pips, guys. So with this system, you have a very good edge in the market. You know exactly what to expect. It's very simple to trade. You can plan your trading properly. You can filter signals. For those of you who are already subscribed to signal services, you can filter signals to know if your signals are correct or if they're wrong for just $200, guys. Just $200, and you don't need any updates or anything. And if you're connected to me, I'll tell you when I make upgrades to it. So congratulations, just go there, enjoy yourself, and win.